Got a flat tire on the 550, turned out to be a cracked rim. This is how I went about fixing the crack. It's an aluminum rim. Doesn't always work out this way, but here we go. First I had to go see my buddy over at J-Rod's garage. That's a 13B swap Ti-Jet mini truck if you want to go check it out on his channel. The first step to a good weld is cleaning the crack first. Jared used a die grinder to clean the weld front and back to ensure that we got all the contaminated area removed. And then you fill that material back with aluminum rod. We then heated the whole rim with the shop heater and cleaned the crack with solvents. Jared fired up his welder and went to town. Turned out pretty well. Once it was all ground down and smoothed for the bead, there was some porosity, so Jared came through, ground out the hole, and then re-welded, and I ground it back down flat for the tire to be mounted. I got the tire mounted at discount and proceeded to drive 1,500 miles over to Denver. No problem so far. I've put probably 6,000 miles on the wheel. It's not leaking air. It balanced perfectly. It's fine. It's fixed. If you need proof that they're fixed, well, here you go.